The sleek black Mercedes pulled up to the marble entrance of Grand Summit Hotel. Zara Williams stepped out, her designer heels clicking against the polished stone. Her tailored navy suit spoke of success, her confident stride commanded respect. She approached the gleaming reception desk where Marcus, a thin man with cold eyes, barely looked up from his computer. "I need a suite for tonight," Zara said, placing her platinum credit card on the counter. Marcus glanced at her, his expression shifting. "We're fully booked. Your website shows availability. Not for people like you." His voice dripped with disdain. "This is a respectable establishment." Jake, the burly security guard, ambled over. "Problem here, Marcus. Just explaining our standards," Marcus sneered. Other guests in the lobby turned to stare. Whispers filled the air. Zara felt the familiar sting of humiliation, but her face remained composed. She memorized their name tags, their faces, their cruel smirks. Her fingers drummed once against the marble counter. "I understand perfectly," she said quietly, pocketing her card outside the hotel. Zara pulled out her phone. Her fingers moved swiftly across the screen. "This is Zara Williams, Regional Director, Hospitality Excellence Corporation," she spoke firmly into the device. "I need an immediate audit team at Grand Summit Hotel. Priority 1 investigation." The voice on the other end responded with urgency. "Ma'am, what's the situation?" "Discrimination. Blatant racism from staff members Marcus Chan at reception and Jake Morrison in security. I want a full review of their practices within the hour." "Understood. Team deploying now." Zara's eyes hardened as she watched guests enter the hotel she now owned through her corporation's recent acquisition. "And send the termination paperwork. We're cleaning house today." She ended the call, straightened her jacket, and waited. Justice was coming, and it wore a business suit. 3 black SUVs pulled up to the hotel entrance. A team of 6 investigators in short suits emerged, carrying briefcases and tablets. They moved with military precision through the lobby doors. "Hotel management, please," the lead investigator announced at the reception desk. Marcus paled. "What's this about?" "Routine corporate audit. We need access to your security footage immediately." Within minutes, the team had commandeered the manager's office. Multiple screens flickered to life, showing weeks of lobby footage. The investigators worked in silence, fast-forwarding through hours of recordings. "Here," one called out. "Last Tuesday. Same desk clerk refusing service to an elderly black couple." "And here," another added. 3 days ago. Different family, same treatment." The patterns emerged quickly. Marcus had a history. Jake too. The footage revealed a systematic culture of discrimination that had festered unchecked. Hotel manager Patricia rushed in, sweat beading on her forehead. "Gentlemen, I don't understand what's happening." "Ma'am, we represent Hospitality Excellence Corporation. Your new owners as of last month." Patricia's face drained of color. The corporate takeover she heard rumors about was real. And now they were here. Zara walked back through the hotel doors, flanked by 2 investigators. The lobby fell silent as guests sensed the shift in atmosphere. Marcus looked up from the desk, confusion flickering across his face. "You again. I told you we're full," he said with less confidence than before. "Actually, Marcus, we need to talk." Zara's voice cut through the air like steel. "In private." Jake approached, his hand moving toward his radio. "Lady, you need to leave." "I don't think so." Zara pulled out her corporate identification. "I'm Zara Williams, Regional Director of Hospitality Excellence Corporation. Your boss." The color drained from both men's faces. Marcus stumbled backward, knocking over a pen holder. "That's impossible," Jake stammered. One investigator stepped forward with a tablet. "We have footage of your discriminatory behavior dating back months." refusing service based on race, verbal harassment, creating hostile environments. Marcus's mouth opened and closed like a fish. I didn't know. I mean, you're both terminated. Effective immediately. Zara's words were final, absolute. Security will escort you out. Your final paychecks will be mailed. Jake's radio clattered to the floor. Within hours, the hotel transformed. Zara had mobilized her network, bringing in qualified candidates who'd been waiting for opportunities. Maya, a bright young woman with hospitality experience, took over the front desk. David, a retired military veteran, stepped into the security role with dignity and respect. Effective immediately, this hotel operates under zero tolerance for discrimination, Zara announced to the assembled staff. Every guest receives equal treatment, regardless of race, religion, or background. She posted new policies on every wall. Training sessions were scheduled. Comment cards were distributed to guests. By evening, the atmosphere had shifted completely. Families of all backgrounds checked in with smiles. The lobby buzzed with genuine warmth instead of tension. Zara stood by the window, watching children play in the courtyard while their parents relaxed. Her phone buzzed with messages from other hotels in the chain, requesting similar reforms. Sometimes justice arrived quietly, wearing a business suit and carrying the power to create real change. Today, it had arrived right on time.